Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Back me and I never.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing this model eyebrow makeup tutorial. Pretty much how to get like super full fluffy eyebrows using all natural non-toxic products that I love so much, and I feel like they make my eyebrows look really nice and full and thick, like I like them, you know what I'm saying, like thicker than a bowl of oatmeal, literally. I know you might be thinking, well, Donna, this is too much, and you know what I have to say to that? I really just disagree. I feel like this is what looks best on me. I love like the model brow look, like the fluffy, undone, not super like clean cut. I just don't like that look. I like a more natural, full, fluffy look. That's just what I like. So this is a tutorial on how I do that. Now you might say, well, that's easy for you because you already have naturally full brows. And you know what? I can't argue with you there, but let me tell you, I didn't always have super full eyebrows. It actually took me a really long time to grow them out. I'm gonna insert a picture like right here or something of my eyebrows being pretty thin, or at least thin for me, because I over tweezed them last summer, like really bad. I've been using castor oil, which has been working. Trust me, my brows were not this full. So the first thing I recommend you doing to really like get this fluffy brow look is to try and like not pick at your brows. Like don't tweeze them, don't get them waxed, let them grow in. I know it's a process and I know it doesn't always look so glamorous when that's happening. So really quick, I just wanted to talk about the two products I'm going to be using in this video because I'm doing a voiceover. So, you know, I kind of have to like speed talk in my voiceovers because I don't have enough time. So I'm going to try and like give you some information right now. So I'm using two products. One of them is more like a brow pomade, like an Anastasia brow pomade dupe, but I actually love this one so much more because it's very fluid. The Anastasia one used to always be like super hard for me to work with, like kind of too thick almost. I would have to like water it down with something. Like I would literally put like drops of oil sometimes because it was like so hard to work with. This is like a dream. This is by the brand Plume, and this is their Define pomade, and I use the shade Cinnamon Cashmere. So the reason why I love using this brow pencil, by the way, this is the Beauty Counter Color Define brow pencil, and I use the shade Dark. I totally forgot what shade I use, but I like to sharpen this. This is one of those pencils that you sharpen, and I sharpen it really sharp, and then I create hair like strokes, especially in the front and like right here. It just really makes a difference for me, especially when you look super up close. It just makes everything look a lot more natural. I cannot just use this product on its own, otherwise it's a little too like in your face for me. I like to go in with this first and then fill in the rest of the areas with this pomade. I just feel like this combination is gorgeous and perfection together. I just love it so much, and I love that both of these brands are 100% clean. There's no toxic ingredients. I don't have to worry about anything when I put this on. But anyway, let's get back to the good stuff. So if you want to see how I got my brows this thick, thicker than a snicker, then please keep watching. So the first thing I really like to do is to comb out my brows, make them super fluffy, see what I'm working with, and then I go in with my favorite Beauty Counter pencil that I spoke to you about earlier, and I really like to draw in the little hairs with this pencil, if that makes any sense, like just like the little hair-like strokes, and really give my brow some structure. So pretty much wherever you guys see sparse areas, just feel free to draw in some hair-like little strokes, I hate that word, with your pencil, and that's going to create the illusion of more brow hairs. And I also just like to map out where I'm gonna fill in my brow with the pomade. Just forgot to mention, don't forget to really sharpen your brow pencil before you use it. That's one trick I like to use. And now I go in with a nice little angled brush with a spoolie on the other side, and I go in with my pomade wherever I see some really sparse areas or places that I feel like need to be more filled in and a little darker. I just take a very small amount. I know it might seem like a lot, and I just fill that in. I think the key to this is really just taking your time, mapping everything out, and blending it out with your spoolie on the other side. That really helps to disperse the product. And yeah, everybody's eyebrows are super different, so I can't tell you exactly how to do yours, but I just like to fill mine in where I feel like I need them the most. And yeah, I pretty much do the exact same thing on the other side. Doing my eyebrows this way is super easy and fast, and I love how it looks. I really hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys next time.